Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to convert media on POCO X7. Firstly, go into the Google Play Store. Now tap on search bar, and now search up image converter. Then go ahead and install this one. Now go ahead and open the app. Close it. Now choose your required format. Allow. Now tap here to select an image, import from gallery, and I will choose this one. Let's say tap on done. Now you can also compress it if you would like to. Then just tap on done, save, and that's going to be all. Here's your path to the picture, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.